Having issue with the focus mode? Try these troubleshooting steps. Turn off focus sharing. Go to the Settings app. Tap on Focus. Then, turn off Share across devices. Check Allowed contacts and apps. Open the Settings app. Go to Focus Settings. Select the focus mode that's being bypassed. Now, under Allowed Notifications, select People. If the contact that concerns you is there, tap on the minus icon to remove it. When done with the People section, go back and tap on Apps. If the app that concerns you is there, tap on the minus icon to remove it. Turn off time-sensitive notifications. Open Settings and go to Focus. Select the focus mode you want to modify and tap on Apps. Then turn off the time-sensitive option. Turn off the silent mode. On the left side of your iPhone, look for a small switch. If the silent mode is turned on, move the switch, disable it. Disable repeated calls. Go to your device's Settings app. Tap on Focus and select the focus mode you want to edit. Select the People option. Turn off Allow repeated calls. Check the schedule time. Go to the Settings app and tap on Focus. Select the focus mode you want to edit. Then, scroll to the bottom, tap on a time slot you want to check. Make sure the settings are correct, and if needed, make changes. If the scheduled time was correct, try to re-enable the focus mode. Force restart your device. Quickly press the volume up button located on the left side of your iPhone. Then, quickly press the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release the side button and wait for the iPhone to load. Reset all settings. Open the iPhone Settings app. Then go to the General Settings. Go to the bottom of the menu and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and tap Reset all settings. Enter the passcode and confirm the action. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.